look up to the little bird that glides across the sky. Yeah, he sings the clearest melody